back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track productivity with RescueTime. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track productivity with RescueTime, then all you gotta do is simply open RescueTime. Once you open your RescueTime, you need to now simply get logged in into your daily activities. Once you have logged in your daily activity, you can then customize settings to categorize apps as productive, neutral, or distracting. You need to check your dashboard for productivity, pulse, and time breakdown. You can use reports to find peak hours, and you can set goals as well to improve your habits, leveraging features like focus sessions and idle time alerts for better focus. So by doing this, you can simply track productivity with RescueTime. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.